Well, it's starting to get cold and the seasons are changing.
Yep.
Everyone starts hanging out outdoors, indoors instead of the outdoors now. So it might be time to spruce up your home interiors. Here on the Fox Square with DIY home improvements that won't dominate your to-do list is home contractor Skip Bedell. Hey,
I'm
Skip.
back. We're talking about fall improvements, easy stuff that you can do.
So what's going on here?
I love this company. This is Barron Designs. Look at how beautiful this is. They make faux wood beams and faux wood mantels and stone panels. So all this is actually foam. This is hand-painted foam that you can get the look of real wood beams.
So it's not as expensive?
Yeah,
is that the benefit?
it's easy. It's lightweight. They custom make them up to 30 feet long and hand-paint them, deliver them right to your house.
And if this is on your ceiling, I'm not going to be up there knocking on it. How are you going to know?
You would never know.
You'd never know, so you can save money.
They custom make them. They fit them to your house. Mantels as well. Even these stone panels. Everything you see here is all faux, and they ship it custom made, custom hand painted. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, no, it's all made in the USA, all hand sculpted and hand painted by the guys at Barron Design. Unbelievable stuff. It's easy. So you pre-order it, you ship it, they send it to your house. It's like a weekend project. These panels fit right together.
So nice.
The beams are unbelievable stuff. Check out Barron Design.
How durable is it though? Like if you've got a kid who's
very highly durable, very strong, very durable. It's even heat rated. It's really nice. I love the beams and the mantels are incredible, right? They look like real wood. You
Absolutely.
Never even know.
All right, what's going on over there?
This is Armstrong rigid core flooring. I love this. By the way, my brother and I did this whole thing in about 5 minutes, so you can do your whole floor in like an afternoon.
They snap in?
Are you doing your tap dance out there?
Yes, I think so.
Wow. We need to get a cane and a hat. All right, Armstrong rigid core flooring. Look at how beautiful these colors are, guys. So these are like hand scraped planks. I love the coloring that they have on these things. They come up to 60-inch lengths. They're super durable, 100% waterproof, which is great.
Has a little bit of blue in it.
Scratch-proof, dent-proof, and
wine-proof?
Yeah, everything proof.
That's a must.
30-year warranty, so it's great for if you have a lot of high traffic in your house. The best part is you can do this in a day because there's no tools, no glue required. You just snap it down on your floor. It floats right over your floor on a cork subfloor base.
And here's what's great: that wood floors look great, but you're sanding them down every 4 or 5 years.
So
and
they're so expensive.
You get the look of real wood, but you don't have any of that maintenance. No sanding and urethane. Super high dent resistant. They're 100% waterproof, so you can put it in any room in your house, even the bathroom, the kitchen, everywhere.
Fantastic. If people would like more information, go to skipbedell.com.
Skipbedell.com.
Yeah.
Round of applause for Skip Bedell.